How is it going, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com. I hope you're having a great day, and it's about to get a whole lot better because we are going to be talking about YouTube ads. Personally, I really like YouTube ads. I like the results that we can get from them, and I like the versatility with the different types of YouTube's ads that we can set up. I also like how detailed in terms of targeting we can get, and we can really find the exact person that we want to target with our YouTube ads. So that's what we will be going over in this video. We'll be setting these YouTube ads up to sell a Clickbank product. Normally you wouldn't really use YouTube ads to sell an affiliate product like this, but I definitely think it has potential, and I'll show you a good example of how to actually set this up. Before we do that though, I just want to let you know that this video is made possible by the Alrighty, so I'm in my Google Ads dashboard. All YouTube ads are run through Google Ads because Google owns YouTube. So here are some stats. I'm not going to show the campaigns. They're all gone and turned off anyways. So here are some of the stats that we see with YouTube ads. Keep in mind these are just things that I briefly run, and your results may be better or worse. So there's two types of YouTube ads. One is in-stream, and one is video display ads. So the in-stream ones are the ones that are before your YouTube videos. They might be like 30 seconds long, and there will be a button that you can click on to go over to whatever website they are promoting. Display ads will show up in your search results or just like on your homepage, and those will normally be like full-length videos that have different call to actions within the video. So I ran both, and they definitely have different purposes. It's just some of the stats that I was seeing were 3-cent views. So this is United States traffic too, like tier 1 countries, and I'm getting people to watch my videos for 3 cents. And off of that, we were getting clicks, subscribers, and everything in between. I really think YouTube ads are a good time. It's definitely worth your time to try out. If we hop into Clickbank, and oddly enough, I just made a sale today, which is kind of weird because I'm not promoting anything. So sometimes things like this just happen, and you're just like, hey, I made $26, so that's pretty solid. I'm going to go into the marketplace, and I'm going to show you this product that I want that has the potential to work on YouTube ads. So here's the product. It is the Super Affiliate System. So normally we don't have high-ticket products like this on Clickbank, which is what's really good about this product. So if you see, the average sale is $518. That's huge. I believe it's a 50% commission. Yeah, 50% commission. So the product is about $1,000. And yeah, we get 50% commission on that. Essentially, this is an evergreen webinar, which you can send people to this. They sign up for the webinar, and hopefully they convert at some point down the line in his funnel. But I want to show you the affiliate page. And this is the affiliate page for this product right here. What I want to direct your attention to is the YouTube ads section. So for him, for this product, people are actually just setting up YouTube ads with these videos that he has provided for you. So like you could just download this video right here and start setting up your YouTube ads with this video promoting this product. And as you can see, YouTube has been a consistent dominator of a traffic source for us. I've been running YouTube ads internally at a 500% ROI for over a year now, with near zero optimization. So he talks about some of the targeting too, and we'll get into that once we set this up. But as you can see, this is super powerful. This is a $500 commission that we'll be getting if we can make one of these sales. And if we take this one step further, remember I was getting views for 3 cents. And so if we just do 500 divided by, thank you, 0.03, then just 1 in 16,000 people need to buy this for us to break even. And hey, if 2 people out of 16,000, forget about it. We'll be making a ton of money at that kind of conversion rate. So yeah, I'm going to hop back over to Google Ads, and we'll start setting up this campaign by pressing New Campaign. Alright, and in order to set these up, we're going to go with Create a Campaign Without a Goals Guidance. And we want to select a campaign type, and we'll go Video, because these are YouTube ads. And we'll go Custom Video Campaign. Alright, we'll name this affiliate system. We'll go with a daily budget of, say, $50. I like to spend a lot, especially for a product like this, where we're gonna get like a huge commission off of it. I think $50 a day is a good place to start, but obviously you have to use something that's comfortable for your budget. We'll leave the bidding strategy as it is. For networks, we're gonna just do YouTube videos. We're gonna uncheck everything else. All languages is fine, and locations, United States. Yeah, United States is good for this. And you don't have to worry too much about anything over here. Now we hop into our ad group, and we'll go affiliate ad. Here you can change any of the ages if you want to, get rid of maybe 18 to 24-year-olds because you don't think they have enough money to spend $1,000 on this. Go ahead, or you could just leave it super broad and let the data speak for itself. If you have any custom audiences, they would go right in here. And now onto the most important section, which is where will your ads actually show? So you can target based off of three things. Target off of keywords, topics, or placements. Keywords, pretty straightforward. It's the same as Google ads or Bing ads. You can just enter any of your keywords in here, and you can use a tool like the keyword planner to get those keywords. So we would just do things like affiliate marketing, and I think they actually had some keywords. So these are business opportunity related channels. So he's saying to target the channels. So if we skip over topics and go straight to placements, you can see that we can target specific YouTube channels, specific YouTube videos, and that's going to give us laser targeted audiences. So like a YouTube channel for this could be something like Ty Lopez. And that has 1.3 million subscribers. So you could split up different YouTube channels into different ad groups and see which one does the best, which audience reacts the best to these ads. For bidding, you can set your maximum cost per view, and I really like to just set this at like either 5 or 10 cents because you're really not going to be charged more than that. The last step is to create your video ad, and so in order to do this you have to actually upload a video onto YouTube. And so you can just create a channel that would be around your niche. So in this case it would be affiliate marketing. You don't have to post any like real content or anything. You would just take this video that he has provided for us, download this, upload it to your channel as an unlisted video, and then you would come over here and paste in the video URL, and that video will pop up right here. Once you do that, you'll just create a headline and a short description, add in the website URL that you want to take them to, which would be your affiliate link, or a landing page before that if you would prefer to do that. And yeah, that is how you set up the in-stream ad. So that would show before people are watching like a Ty Lopez YouTube video, it would show right before then, and they have the option to skip it after 5 seconds. Another great thing about YouTube ads, which I didn't mention, is that you only get charged if someone clicks on your ad or if they watch 30 seconds or more. So you're really only getting charged when something good happens, which is another really powerful thing about this. So that was a brief introduction into YouTube ads, and more specifically the in-stream ads. We didn't really talk too much about the video discovery ads, but we can do that at another time. So this is super powerful stuff. Not a lot of people are taking advantage of this. I don't really see many people talking about YouTube ads, but as I showed you before, I'm getting views for super cheap. So if you can find a way to get in there and start selling affiliate products with YouTube ads, I think you could do a really good job. So thank you a ton for watching. This video was made possible though by the AFK forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.